Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best keyless entry is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make to your vehicle's security, offering unparalleled convenience and peace of mind by allowing you to lock and unlock your car doors without fumbling for keys, and in many cases, even start your engine with the push of a button, effectively deterring potential thieves and simplifying your daily routine. Number 5. Universal 12V Car Keyless Entry System. Effortlessly lock and unlock your vehicle with this universal keyless entry system. It's designed for most 12V cars, making your daily commute more convenient. Stay informed with flashing direction lights and a clear LED indicator. This system provides visual cues for enhanced security and awareness. Enjoy the convenience of automatic central door locking. Plus, easily locate your car in a crowded parking lot with the remote car location feature. This kit comes with two 3-button remotes, giving you full control. Lock, unlock, and even release your trunk from a distance. Experience the added benefit of rising power windows. This feature allows you to automatically close your car windows remotely, provided your car has a trunk-driving motor. Installation is straightforward, requiring your original car to have a manual control motor. Upgrade your vehicle's access and security with ease. What we like. This system offers universal compatibility and essential remote functions like trunk release and power window control. If you have an older vehicle that lacks these features and you're looking for an affordable upgrade to enhance convenience and security, this is a great choice. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want to add modern conveniences without breaking the bank. What people say. Once installed, it works great. Range is pretty good and the fob is nice. The range is solid, and setup wasn't too bad if you're comfortable with wiring. I was able to lock and unlock my car from 50 feet away. My old remote when new couldn't do that. Number 4. Viper 5305V 2-way LCD Car Alarm Keyless Entry Remote Start. Introducing the Viper 5305V, a state-of-the-art system designed to protect your vehicle. It offers advanced security features for your peace of mind. Enjoy the convenience of keyless entry and the comfort of remote start. Get in and get going with ease, no matter the weather. Stay informed with its intuitive 2-way LCD remote. You'll receive instant confirmation of commands and system status right on the screen. This system provides ultimate protection for your car. Take full control of your vehicle's security and convenience features from a distance. Upgrade your driving experience with the Viper 5305V. It's the smart choice for reliable security and unparalleled convenience. What we like. Experience advanced security and convenience with its 2-way LCD remote, providing real-time feedback and remote start capabilities. If you prioritize comprehensive protection and the comfort of starting your car remotely in any weather, this system is for you. It's perfect for those who want peace of mind and a warmer car on cold mornings. What people say. Works great on a 1993 Silverado. Keyless entry and engine start. All the settings work quite well. Range is phenomenal at easily a half-mile when my son and I were screwing around with this alarm. I can start warming up my car while I am changing for work with the remote start feature. Number 3. Compustar CS4900S Remote Start System. Introducing the Compustar CS4900S, an all-in-one system for remote start and keyless entry. Experience ultimate convenience with this advanced solution. Enjoy an impressive 3,000-foot range, allowing you to start your car or unlock doors from a significant distance. This extended reach provides unparalleled convenience. Control your vehicle with ease using the two included 4-button remotes. They feature dedicated buttons for locking, unlocking, trunk release, and remote start-stop functions. This system is designed for automatic transmissions and is safe for diesel engines. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's compatible with your specific vehicle needs. For optimal performance and safety, professional installation is highly recommended. Please note that some vehicles may require additional parts, sold separately. What we like. Boasting an impressive 3,000-foot range and 2-way remotes, this system ensures you're always connected to your vehicle. If you need reliable remote start and keyless entry from a significant distance, perhaps in a large parking lot or apartment complex, this is the solution. It's designed for users who value extended range and robust functionality. What people say. The two-way remote is a nice feature because it confirms when the vehicle has successfully started. The range is impressive and works well from a good distance, which is especially useful during colder or hotter weather when you want the car ready before getting inside. Once installed and programmed correctly, the system works reliably and responds quickly when starting the vehicle. Number 2. KeylessOption key fob replacement for Toyota. This replacement key fob is designed for simple, do-it-yourself programming. Just follow the easy instructions provided to get it set up quickly. This remote is specifically designed to be programmed for certain Toyota makes and models. Please ensure your original remote has the FCC ID GQ43VT20T. This is a premium replacement designed to perfectly match your original factory remote. It ensures seamless integration and maintains the same high-quality performance. Our replacement remote features convenient button options. These provide a range of functions for enhanced security and ease of use. This FCC ID registered product comes with a 90-day warranty for your peace of mind. If any issues arise, we'll provide a hassle-free replacement. What we like. This is a premium, easy-to-program replacement key fob designed for specific Toyota models. If you've lost your original remote or it's damaged and you're looking for an affordable, user-friendly DIY solution, this is an excellent option. It offers peace of mind with its warranty and ensures a seamless fit for compatible vehicles. What people say. The keyless entry system is very easy to install and program. It took me less than 15 minutes to get it up and running. I love the sleek design of the key fob. It's small and unobtrusive, and it fits comfortably in my pocket. The range on this keyless entry system is impressive. I can unlock my car from across the parking lot, even with obstacles in the way. Number 1. BANVIE Car Keyless Entry System. Introducing the BANVIE Car Keyless Entry System, designed to enhance your vehicle's security and convenience. This advanced system offers keyless entry and central locking for ultimate ease of use. Effortlessly lock and unlock your car doors with the included remote control. You can customize the central locking time to suit your preferences, ensuring a seamless experience every time. Never lose your car in a crowded parking lot again. With the remote car finding feature, locating your vehicle is as simple as pressing a button. Enjoy peace of mind with automatic door locking. Once you start moving and all doors are closed, it locks automatically after 5 seconds. It also unlocks when you park and remove the key. This system can also control your car windows. When armed, it provides a signal to close your windows, offering an extra layer of security and protection from the elements. Designed for universal compatibility, it fits any make or model of DC-12V vehicle. Installation is straightforward, making it a perfect upgrade for almost any car. What we like. This universal keyless entry system comes with a versatile 4-button remote and convenient features like automatic window closing and car finding. If you're looking for a comprehensive, easy-to-install solution for almost any vehicle that includes modern conveniences, this is a strong contender. It's ideal for those who want to centralize their car's locking, unlocking, and security functions with added smart features. What people say. The keyless entry system is a great addition to my car, making it easier to get in and out without fumbling for keys. I love the remote start feature, especially during cold weather. It warms up the car before I even step outside. The alarm system is very sensitive and has deterred potential thieves. It's a good peace of mind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.